Are you holding books farther away just to read clearly? Do restaurant menus, phone screens, or medicine labels seem blurrier than they used to? You're not alone. Millions of Americans over 50 experience presbyopia. The good news? These simple daily eye exercises and healthy habits may help reduce eye strain and support better focusing ability. Number 1. Pencil push-up exercise. As people age, the eye's natural lens gradually becomes less flexible, making it harder to focus on nearby objects. The pencil push-up exercise is one of the most widely recommended vision exercises for improving focus and strengthening the coordination between both eyes. Sit comfortably in a well-lit room and hold a pencil at arm's length directly in front of your face. Focus carefully on the tip of the pencil while keeping it clear and single. Slowly move the pencil toward the bridge of your nose while continuing to focus. Stop when the image becomes blurry or doubles, then slowly move it back to the starting position. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times every day. The goal is not to force perfect vision but to train your eyes to work together more efficiently. This exercise may reduce eye strain during reading, computer work, and smartphone use. Many eye care professionals recommend practicing consistently for several weeks before expecting noticeable improvements. Pair this exercise with proper lighting and regular breaks from close-up work for the best results. Although it cannot reverse presbyopia, it can help maintain comfortable focusing ability and improve visual endurance during daily activities. Consistency is the key to achieving meaningful long-term benefits. Number 2. Near-to-far focus exercise. The near-to-far focus exercise trains your eyes to shift attention smoothly between close and distant objects. This ability naturally weakens with age, especially after 50, contributing to symptoms of presbyopia. Begin by sitting near a window or outside in a quiet area. Hold your thumb or a small object about 10 inches from your face. Focus on it for 5 seconds, paying attention to every detail. Then shift your gaze to an object at least 20 feet away, such as a tree, building, or parked car. Keep your distant focus for another 5 seconds before returning your attention to the nearby object. Continue alternating between near and far objects for 3 to 5 minutes. Perform this exercise once or twice daily. The repeated changes encourage the eye muscles to coordinate more effectively during focusing tasks. This simple routine may reduce visual fatigue after long periods of reading or computer use. Remember to blink naturally throughout the exercise because blinking keeps the eyes moist and comfortable. Combining this activity with adequate hydration, healthy nutrition, and yearly comprehensive eye examinations provides additional support for lifelong eye health. Regular practice helps maintain flexibility in visual attention and makes everyday activities feel more comfortable and less tiring over time. Number 3. Figure 8 eye movement exercise. Smooth eye movements are essential for reading, driving, and everyday activities. The figure 8 eye movement exercise improves eye coordination by encouraging controlled tracking motions. Imagine a giant figure 8 lying on its side about 10 feet in front of you. Without moving your head, slowly trace the shape using only your eyes. Continue in one direction for 30 seconds, then reverse directions for another 30 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 to 5 times. Keep your breathing relaxed and avoid straining if your eyes become tired. This exercise strengthens the muscles responsible for coordinated eye movement and may improve visual comfort during prolonged reading sessions. Many adults over 50 notice less eye fatigue after practicing consistently. Perform the exercise while sitting upright with relaxed shoulders and good posture. If you wear prescription glasses for distance, use them if needed to clearly see your imaginary target. Always blink normally to prevent dry eyes. While this exercise will not eliminate the need for reading glasses, it supports healthy eye muscle coordination and may reduce discomfort caused by prolonged close work. Combine it with regular outdoor walks, balanced nutrition rich in leafy greens, and sufficient sleep to promote healthier vision. Daily consistency produces the greatest long-term improvements in eye comfort and overall visual performance. Number 4. Palming relaxation exercise. Eye strain often becomes more noticeable as presbyopia develops. Palming is a simple relaxation technique that helps reduce tension around the eyes and encourages comfortable vision after extended periods of reading or screen use. Sit comfortably at a table and rub your hands together until they become warm. Close your eyes gently and cup your palms over them without pressing on the eyeballs. Allow complete darkness while breathing slowly and deeply. Stay in this relaxed position for 2 to 5 minutes, focusing only on your breathing. Imagine your eye muscles becoming relaxed with every breath. Remove your hands slowly and open your eyes gradually. Repeat this exercise 2 or 3 times daily, especially after using digital devices. Palming does not change the shape of the eye or cure presbyopia, but many people find it soothing and helpful for relieving visual fatigue. Pair this exercise with the 20-20-20 rule by looking 20 feet away every 20 minutes for 20 seconds during computer work. Maintaining good posture and proper lighting while reading also decreases unnecessary eye strain. Combined with healthy lifestyle habits, palming supports greater comfort and relaxation throughout the day. Making this exercise part of your daily routine may improve overall visual comfort and reduce feelings of tired, overworked eyes. Number 5. Eye rotation exercise. Eye rotation exercises help improve flexibility and coordination of the muscles controlling eye movement. Begin by sitting comfortably with your head still and shoulders relaxed. Look upward as far as comfortable, then slowly move your eyes clockwise in a complete circle. Perform 5 slow circles before changing direction and rotating counterclockwise 5 more times. Avoid rushing through the movement because slow, controlled motions provide better muscle engagement. Blink naturally between rotations to keep the eyes lubricated. After completing both directions, close your eyes for several seconds before repeating the sequence 2 additional times. This exercise may reduce stiffness around the eyes caused by long reading sessions or extended computer use. Adults over 50 often experience tired eyes after focusing closely for prolonged periods, making gentle mobility exercises beneficial for comfort. Remember that the goal is relaxation and coordination rather than forcing the eyes beyond their comfortable range. Stop immediately if you experience dizziness, pain, or unusual discomfort. Performing eye rotations daily along with regular physical activity, balanced meals rich in vitamins A, C, and E, and sufficient hydration supports overall eye wellness. Although these exercises cannot reverse age-related lens changes, they may improve eye comfort, movement control, and visual endurance, helping everyday tasks become easier and less fatiguing over the long term. Number 6. Brock string eye coordination exercise. The Brock string exercise is an excellent way to improve eye coordination and focusing skills, especially for adults experiencing age-related vision changes. You will need a string about 6 feet long with 3 colored beads placed at different distances. Attach one end of the string to a stable object and hold the other end against the tip of your nose. Focus on the bead closest to your face until it appears clear and single, while the string forms an X shape through the bead. Next, shift your focus to the middle bead, then the farthest bead, spending about 10 seconds on each one. Continue switching focus for 5 to 10 minutes daily. This exercise encourages both eyes to work together more efficiently and strengthens visual tracking. Many people notice reduced eye fatigue during reading and computer work after practicing consistently. Remember to blink naturally and avoid forcing your eyes if they become uncomfortable. Good lighting is also important while performing this exercise. Although the Brock string exercise cannot reverse presbyopia, it helps improve binocular vision, concentration, and eye coordination. Combine this routine with regular eye examinations, healthy eating, and adequate hydration for the best long-term results. Daily practice builds stronger visual habits that can make everyday activities more comfortable and enjoyable over time. Number 7. Distance viewing exercise. Many Americans spend hours reading, working on computers, or looking at smartphones, causing eye fatigue that becomes more noticeable after age 50. The distance viewing exercise helps relax the focusing system by encouraging your eyes to look far away regularly. Find a comfortable place near a window on your porch or outside in a park. Choose an object at least 50 feet away, such as a tree, building, or mountain. Focus on that object for 30 to 60 seconds while breathing slowly and naturally. Pay attention to its shape, colors, and details. Afterward, look at a nearby object for 10 seconds before returning your gaze to the distant object. Repeat this cycle 10 times. This exercise relaxes the muscles involved in prolonged close work and reduces feelings of eye strain. It also supports healthier visual habits during busy days. Perform the exercise at least twice daily, or whenever your eyes feel tired after reading or using digital devices. Pair it with the 20-20-20 rule for even greater comfort. While distance viewing will not restore the flexibility of the eye's natural lens, it can help reduce fatigue and improve visual comfort. Consistent practice supports healthier vision and makes focusing transitions feel smoother throughout your daily routine and activities. Number 8. Controlled blinking exercise. Blinking is something most people rarely think about, yet it plays a vital role in maintaining healthy, comfortable vision. As we age, blinking often becomes less frequent during reading or screen use, leading to dry, irritated eyes. Controlled blinking exercises help spread tears evenly across the eye's surface, improving moisture and reducing discomfort. Sit comfortably and close your eyes gently for 2 seconds. Open them slowly, then blink normally 10 times. Next, squeeze your eyes shut gently for another 2 seconds before relaxing. Repeat the sequence 5 to 10 times. Perform the exercise several times throughout the day, especially after extended periods of reading or computer work. Proper blinking helps keep the cornea lubricated, reduces irritation, and supports clearer vision. Remember not to squeeze too hard because excessive pressure is unnecessary. Drinking enough water and using a humidifier indoors can further reduce dryness. If you wear contact lenses, follow your eye doctor's recommendations regarding wearing time and cleaning. Although controlled blinking does not cure presbyopia, it helps maintain eye comfort and reduces symptoms often associated with prolonged close work. Combined with regular eye breaks, balanced nutrition, and sufficient sleep, This simple exercise supports healthier eyes and more comfortable vision during everyday activities for many years to come. Number 9. Eye massage and acupressure relaxation. Gentle massage around the eyes can help relieve muscle tension and encourage relaxation after long periods of reading or computer use. Begin by washing your hands thoroughly. Close your eyes and use your fingertips to massage your temples using slow circular motions for 30 seconds. Next, gently massage the area beneath your eyebrows and around the outer corners of your eyes without pressing directly on the eyeballs. Continue with light circular movements under the eyes along the cheekbones. Breathe deeply and keep your shoulders relaxed throughout the exercise. Spend about 3 to 5 minutes completing the routine. This gentle massage may improve comfort by reducing tightness in the muscles surrounding the eyes and forehead. Many adults report feeling refreshed after practicing daily. However, avoid this exercise if you have an eye infection, recent eye surgery, or unexplained eye pain unless approved by your healthcare provider. Pair eye massage with adequate sleep, proper hydration, and regular breaks from digital screens for maximum benefit. While massage cannot restore the flexibility of the aging lens, it can help reduce stress-related eye discomfort and promote relaxation. Consistent daily practice supports overall eye comfort, making reading, hobbies, and other close-up activities feel less tiring. Healthy eyes benefit from both relaxation techniques and regular professional eye examinations every year. Number 10. 20-20-20 Vision Break Exercise. One of the easiest and most effective habits for protecting your eyes is the 20-20-20 Vision Break Exercise. Every 20 minutes of reading, computer work, or smartphone use, stop what you are doing and look at an object at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. During those 20 seconds, blink naturally several times and allow your eye muscles to relax completely. This simple routine helps reduce digital eye strain, decreases focusing fatigue, and gives your visual system a chance to recover. Many eye care professionals recommend this habit for people of all ages, especially adults over 50 who experience presbyopia. Set a timer on your phone or computer if you tend to lose track of time while working. Combine this exercise with proper screen brightness, larger text sizes, and good lighting to create a more comfortable viewing environment. Also remember to maintain an appropriate viewing distance from books and digital screens. Although the 20-20-20 rule does not cure presbyopia, it significantly reduces the discomfort associated with prolonged close work. When practiced consistently alongside healthy eating, regular physical exercise, annual comprehensive eye examinations, and quality sleep, this simple habit supports long-term eye comfort, reduces visual fatigue, and helps you enjoy reading, hobbies, and everyday tasks with greater ease and confidence.